Hi everyone, it's TaQuita Hogan-Claiborne here. I just had to share my experience with Doug's 5-day challenge workshop. I signed up because I've been in Doug's challenges online programs before, and one of the things I know about Doug is that he delivers. He going to make sure that he provides you a proven framework, and in this case, for building a challenge that actually converts, not just giving you the things you want to hear or just making it all cute and motivational. So when this workshop opened up, I knew exactly that I wanted to sign up. Now, my biggest takeaway, I believe, is the psychology, the way Doug breaks everything down, the belief shifts. We talked about the structure and even the momentum. It makes sense why some challenges convert and why others do not. Seeing his formula in action, that actually was quite powerful in my belief. And I'm going to give a shout out to the fact he allowed us to have access to VIP replays because it gave me an opportunity each day to take my time and go back and review them because with a crazy tight schedule, just wasn't able to implement everything as the day progressed. But at least again, I had access to the VIP and I was able to get the assignments complete, the action steps completed. This workshop took the guesswork out of the lunch strategy that I'm putting together because I utilized some tools he provided and plus some other resources that I've been working with. So now I know I'm able to walk away with clarity and confidence and have a step by step plan that I can just plug right into my business. Now, look, let me talk about you. If you're on the fence, let me help you out. Just join because if you want a challenge that brings in the right people and you know they're going to be moved right straight into your offer, he's giving you a blueprint. Okay. As I said before, Doug is going to over deliver every time. And this workshop is no exception. So, yes, I got to go ahead and get things rolling myself, building my challenge. So, let me get off of here and take care of my own challenge, get it in place. And I hope I'll see you inside. You know, just stop by, take a look at the challenge that I put together after this in the next few days or few weeks, wherever it may be. Again, but thank you, Doug, you guys, your team, Jeremy, everybody. Have a good one. Bye bye.